Hello guys, let me introduce to you the MK60 keyboard. It's a 60% keyboard. It's mechanical. It has red switches. It's hot swappable, and the keycap has the true color injection mold, which shows that from the inside you have a different layer and the outer layer. So after a long use, it won't fade because it's not just a color. There are two layers which cannot fade. So switching to the keyboard from the box, the keyboard comes with two switches. It comes with a keycap remover, it comes with a switch remover. That's why the keyboard is swappable. You can remove the switch, and here you have the keyboard. We have the white option, the black option, the white and black option, and the black and white options. So we have 4 variants of the same keyboard. They all come in the same box, the same color box. So the only difference you'll see are the stickers. So here is our keyboard. Here is our keyboard. It's red switch, as I had said before. So it's more tactile than the blue switch and other switches like brown. Let me light it. Now it's backlit. You can change the color mode. You can change the layout of the pattern of the lights. So you can change your color modes by clicking the functional key and this key at once. You'll change to another lighting mode, another pattern, to another pattern, to another pattern. You have different patterns you can change to, so you use the one you prefer. So if you want it normal without any backlighting, you can change to the zero backlight. So this is the MK60. It's a very portable keyboard. You can use it on the go. You can backpack it. You can use it in the class. You can use it in the office. You can use it wherever. You can use it with your pad. You can use it with your laptop. You can use it with your desktop. So this is the. Let me show you how to remove the keys and the keycaps using the keycap and the switch remover. So you use this to remove the keycap, and this to remove the switch. So you can see the switch has some hole somewhere here. So that's where one of these hooks is where one of these hooks enters. So the other one will go to the other side. Once you pull, it's supposed to pop out. This is the hot swappable key. Looks like this. Make sure these tips are safe. The two tips, they will enter here in this. There are two holes there. There is where they go back to. Once you return the switch. So that is MK60 for you.